Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I will explain about multimedia report. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Noval Demas Hartono with NIM 2024320013. And I will explain about HTML code about an introduction to multimedia report. In this code, I not only present the content but also enhance the appearance using CSS, making it look like tiled paper sheet with shadow. Okay, first is structure of HTML. The code begin with doctype HTML, which indicates that the document use HTML. Then there is the HTML tag as the main container of the web page. Inside it there are two important sections, head and body. The head is contain information about the page, such as the title and style, while the body contain the main content displayed to the user. And head and title. In the head section, there is a title tag that functions as the page title, which is laporan 1 pengantar multimedia. This title appears on the browser tab. There is also style tag used to write CSS to control the appearance of the page. Okay, and CSS body. In the CSS for the body, several settings are applied. The margin is set to 0 to remove the default browser spacing. A background image is used centered on, not repeated. The background size is set to cover so the image fills the entire screen. Additionally, the height is set to 1000 VH to match the screen height. And CSS section. The section tag is used as a container for each content part. Each section has a purple background. Padding is add so the content does not stick to the edge, and margin create space between sections. The tiled effect is created using transform rotate, making it look like slightly messy paper. A shadow is added using box shadow to create a 3D effect. Border radius smooth the corners, and max width limit the width to keep the layout neat. And content. In the content of this page consists of several sections. The first section contains the main title and explain the early history of multimedia before computer existed. The second section explains the early era of multimedia, which was a simple and not interactive. And the third section explains to digital era, where multimedia developed with audio, video, and animation, including technologies like Adobe Flash. The last section explain the modern era where multimedia continues to grow and is used in various fields. And that is all for my explanation. I hope it's useful and thank you. Bye bye. Okay. And this for uh, uh, hasil.